Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the Nillkin Cube Pocket Keyboard. It's a super compact foldable Bluetooth keyboard with a built-in touchpad, multi-device support, and a soft silicone case that folds up like a wallet. In this video, I'll be going over the design, typing, and touchpad experience, features, and who this is actually for. Priced around $60, it comes in 3 different colors, and I have the black version in this video. In the box, there's the user manual, a Type-A to Type-C charging cable, a soft carrying case, and the keyboard itself, which is very light, weighing just around 260 grams or 0.5 pounds. Taking a look at the design, it's ultra slim and falls into this clean little square. The outside material is made from organic silicone, so it's soft, flexible, and has a nice premium rubberized feel. When opened, the keyboard has a 64-key compact layout with the functions highlighted on each key, the indicators and touchpad that doubles as a numpad on the right, the on-off switch next to the Nillkin logo here, and the Type-C port located on the right side on the back. When folded up, you can see the Nillkin logo here in the middle, and in this state it protects the key, so it kind of doubles as a case. The hinges are held shut with magnets, and it's super pocketable at this size, just like a phone. So it's really easy to bring around if you're working off a tablet or phone. As for the usage and performance, the 64 keys layout is just enough in my opinion for daily work and use. The scissor switch keys has pretty great travel and feels smooth when typing. It's also quite silent, so it's usable in an office or public setting. The touchpad is a nice addition as well, as it supports gestures for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. This makes navigation so much easier, and it's quite accurate and responsive, and you don't have to bring a mouse around. Not only that, if you need a numpad when working with numbers, you can just switch it over and it works flawlessly. For the connectivity, you can connect up to 3 Bluetooth devices at once. This basically allows you to switch between devices without repairing or reconnecting each time. This allows me to easily switch between my computer, tablet, and phone with just a few clicks. Moving on, all of this is powered by a 140 mAh battery and gives you around 10 hours of use on a single charge. It also goes into sleep mode after 10 minutes of inactivity, so it's smart by saving power without getting in your way. If you use this device 2 to 3 hours a day, you can easily use it up to 4 days with a single charge. Anyway, that was everything about the keyboard, and here is a quick typing sound test. Okay, here are my final thoughts on the Nillkin Cube Pocket Keyboard. If you're looking for a slim and foldable keyboard with a touchpad that actually works, this is a solid pick. For around $60, you're getting a compact wireless keyboard and a decent trackpad and typing experience in something that fits into your pocket. I know this keyboard isn't for everyone, it's not suitable for hardcore typing or gaming, but for travel, quick edits, and productivity, it's a great compact keyboard. So if you're interested in the Nillkin Cube Pocket Keyboard, it will be linked in the description below, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Nillkin for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.